Okay, here's the replacement elderberry that was shipped to me. I think it was in the UPS truck, or I think it was UPS, over the weekend, and this looked all droopy. I mean, there's not much to it, but it just didn't look good. After keeping it on my porch for a day in the sun, the little bit of sun we have, it looks better. Here is the one that wasn't doing good. Maybe the roots will still keep here. And then this guy's starting to turn black around the leaves. I don't know if that's a deficiency or what it is, but if you guys know, shoot me a comment. And why can I not find the fourth one? Here it is right here. Here's the fourth one. So hopefully, I just want the roots to take. I know they're shallow root systems. And I also saw a video where someone said that when they get big, the wind can kind of blow them over because of the shallow roots, and this is nothing but non-stop wind here. So anyway, got the new one planted. Here she blows, and we'll see how they do in the spring. I'm gonna put some Epsom salt, I think, around them and give them some love and care. All right, thanks for watching.